Hi everyone, today I'm going through some National Counselor Exam practice questions related to research and program evaluation. In research, the term internal validity refers to A. How well the results apply to other settings. B. Whether the study measures what it claims to measure. C. The degree to which confounding variables are controlled. Or D. The accuracy of the statistical analysis. And the answer is C. The degree to which confounding variables are controlled. Internal validity is about how confidently we can attribute outcomes to the independent variable specifically rather than the other factors. A counseling agency wants to know if its new anxiety workshop is effective. The best method to evaluate this is A. A case study. B. A correlational design. C. An experimental design with random assignment. Or D. A qualitative interview with one participant. And the answer is C. An experimental design with random assignment. Experimental designs with random assignment best test cause and effect, which is ideal for program evaluation. The term statistical significance means A. The results are guaranteed to be clinically meaningful. B. The findings are important to the population. C. The results are unlikely due to chance. Or D. The null hypothesis is true. And the answer is C. The results are unlikely due to chance. Statistical significance indicates a low probability that the observed result occurred by random chance. It's usually set at a p-value of less than 0.05. What is the main purpose of inferential statistics in counseling research? A. To describe the basic features of the data. B. To generalize findings from a sample to a population. C. To organize qualitative data. Or D. To determine test reliability. And the answer is B. To generalize findings from a sample to a population. Inferential statistics help researchers draw conclusions about a larger group based on data from a sample, using tools like t-test or ANOVAs. A type 1 error occurs when a researcher A. Fails to reject a false null hypothesis. B. Rejects a true null hypothesis. C. Uses the wrong statistical test. Or D. Fails to operationalize variables. And the answer is B. They reject a true null hypothesis. A type 1 error is a false positive, which means believing an effect exists when it actually doesn't. This is also known as an alpha error. What is the independent variable in an experimental study? A. The variable being measured. B. The variable being manipulated. C. The variable that changes due to natural causes. Or D. The variable with the least variance. And the answer is B. The variable being manipulated. The independent variable is what the researcher changes to see if it affects the dependent variable, the outcome being measured. In qualitative research, trustworthiness is most similar to A. Statistical power, B. Objectivity, C. Reliability and validity, or D. Generalizability. And the answer is C. Reliability and validity. Trustworthiness in qualitative research reflects how credible, dependent, and authentic the findings are, paralleling reliability and validity in quantitative research. A counselor wants to assess whether their stress management program reduced client anxiety. The best research design would be A. Case study, B. Correlational design, C. Experimental design, or D. Longitudinal observational study. And the answer is C. Experimental design. An experimental design with random assignment and control is best for determining cause and effect, such as program impact. Which term refers to the degree to which a test measures what it claims to measure? A. Reliability, B. Sensitivity, C. Validity, or D. Correlation. And the answer is C. Validity. Validity refers to whether an instrument actually measures the concept it's intended to, such as anxiety or depression. What is a null hypothesis in research? A. The belief that two variables are strongly correlated. B. A prediction that a treatment will have a major effect. C. A statement that there is no difference or relationship between variables. Or D. A hypothesis with no theoretical backing. And the answer is C. A statement that there is no difference or relationship between variables. The null hypothesis, H0, is the default assumption that there's no effect or difference, which researchers aim to test. Which type of evaluation examines whether a program is being implemented as planned? A. Outcome evaluation, B. Summative evaluation, C. Formative evaluation, or D. Needs assessment. And the answer is C. Formative evaluation. Formative evaluation focuses on how a program is being delivered, helping improve it during development or implementation. Which of the following is a characteristic of action research in counseling settings? A. It's conducted by external evaluators only. B. It has a detached and neutral stance. C. It involves practitioners in improving their own practice. Or D. It avoids using client data. And the answer is C. It involves practitioners in improving their own practice. Action research is collaborative and practitioner-driven, used to improve practice in real time, often in schools or clinics. Bonus question, because this one is going to be kind of redundant, but it's very important. What is statistical significance typically indicated by in research? A p-value less than or equal to 0.05. B, a correlation coefficient greater than 1. C, a mean difference of 0. Or D, a sample size over 100. And the answer is A, a p-value less than or equal to 0.05. A p-value less than or equal to 0.05 suggests the results are unlikely due to chance. This indicates statistical significance. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and comment below to let me know how you did on these questions. Don't forget to subscribe to Becoming a Therapist so you don't miss out on more free study content just like this.